Hey everyone, working on an old flower bed that's just grown up right now in front of the house. It's got these, I believe this is flagstone around the outside. I'm actually going to leave that, but it had some hasta, I believe that is, growing in one area. I dug that up. I'm going to put it back in afterwards. There's another one right here I'm going to take up, and another that I forgot. I don't know what that one is right now, but I'm going to dig that one up and we'll put it back in as long as my sisters approve. And it goes all the way down the length of the front of the house. This is actually a muscadine vine that I've cut back right here. I'm going to try to move it. This is the cedar bed that we made yesterday. We'll show you that more completed later also. So this area is a project. We'll show you more as we go. Okay, got all this tilled up. Got some of the weeds pulled out, but I'm going to double the landscape fabric probably in this area and plant through it. Let's see what happens next. All right, while we're at it, I want to mention I'm all about discounts and bargains. This landscape fabric actually is pretty good stuff. It's not bad at all. Guess where we got it? The Dollar General. Well, it was 3 feet by 45 feet for $5. I think that's a pretty good job, or pretty good price. Again, it's 3 feet by 45 feet at our local Dollar Generals here in the Southeast. And again, it's about $5. So this did this easy here for less than $5, and I've got leftovers. So we'll plant through this, and then we will be using some black mulch on top. We'll show you more shortly. Okay, we added the mulch to the bed all the way across. And I just added some Epsom salt water to the hydrangeas. That's supposed to boost them a little bit. Just put like a teaspoon for a gallon. But got that going. There's a little ant poison, had some ants going on in there, but that is the conclusion of the front flower bed. We will be planting a red Japanese maple in this front area here, but that's another video. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you soon. Tennessee Farm out.